Hello, beautiful yogi friends, and welcome to Yoga Together online platform. Today we will experience together a flow. So this is flow together is nice. I'm so happy to guide you into an easy flow. Let's say a flow for beginners, but it's a flow that will introduce you in the world of flowing on beats. I'm happy to start immediately with you. Are you happy? Let's get started in front of our mat, and please consider that for this class, music will be not only in background, but will be a little bit louder because we will hear the beats. And music is so important, such important in this class, because actually the way the music will lead, this will be the way you will breathe. So if the music will go faster, you will breathe faster. If it will go slow, you will breathe slower. Okay? Let's start. And let's start as usual, step-by-step approach. So we'll start just by breathing, and then we will add on. So come in front onto your mat. I will stay just in front of the camera because we will start with the breathe technique, which is Panda. Bring your palms together in Namaste. Maybe you want to close your eyes and connect to the beats of your heart. Take a deep inhale through the nose and fully exhaling out. Let go. And let's start on beats. We will count from 1 to 4 inhaling, and we will count from 5 to 8 exhaling. Let's do it together with the arms. Inhale, you open, 2, 3, 4, exhale, you close, 5, 6, 7, inhale, open, maybe a little bit bigger, exhale, close. From 1 to 4, you inhale. From 5 to 8, you contract. This is Panda. Expansion from 1 to 5, and a contraction from 5 to 8. And let's go with the flow. Don't stop the movement, don't stop the breath, don't stop the emotions coming out from this flow. Okay? And now, keep the hands together and music will start for us. Exhale back. Utkata. Step right foot back. Left arm circle. Twist lunge back to the front. Utkata. Left prepare. Step back. Twist lunge. 1, 2, 3. Step. The front, 5, 6, leg back, right arm circle, and the next music will come. You step to the front, you roll up. Namaste, woo! Let's go. Inhale, rise. Exhale, bow. Utkata, whoop. Back, twisted lunge. And now, over, twisted under your armpit to the right side, switch the right. Stay, breathe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now go up and back to the front. 5, 6, ta-ta. Left back. Right arm circle. Twist under your armpits. Reach the back thigh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Reach to the front. Step. Kata. And right back. Twisted lunge. And to the midline. To the front. Step. Up. Back. Up. On beats. Right arm circle. Twist and triangle. Back to the front and up. Kata. Namaste. Woo. Are you ready to add on? Let's add on a little bit a beautiful arm flying, okay? It's a windmill movement with your arms. Hug the right on top. Are you ready? The right arms moving up, the left under. And then there's a contraction. Left on top, the right under. The left starting. Boom. Contraction. With tempo. Wow. And 5, 6, 7, open. One. And close. Yeah? Can we bring it into our flow? Are you ready? Let's go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Mountain. Bow. 5, 6, 7. Utkata. 1, 2. Right foot back. 5, 6. Left arm circle. To the midline. 5, 6. Now can you see? Hug. And what is happening? The right goes on top. The left under. Oh. Yeah, magic. And then you come back. And Uttana. Uttata. And left back. Twisted lunge. And to the midline. Can you see? Left on top. Who is starting? The left. Woo! And the right is coming back. Boom. Utkata. We head on. Right foot back. Left arm circle. Twisted lunge. Hug. Right on top. Left under. And now skanda. Left on top. Right under. And now left under. And go, 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 go. Half. Step to the front. Utkata. Left foot back. Right arm circle. Twisted. Hug. Left on top. Windmill arms and hug. Windmill arms and come to the front. And the right. Left arm circling up. Step. right foot back, left arm circle, through the middle, hug, whoa, hug, and whoa, windmill arms, woo, don't stop the flow, Utkata, and left back, twisted lunge, through the midline, and whoop, and up, the right is on top, the right up, whoa, and left arm circle, stop, boom, roll, namaste, close your eyes, feel the flow, state in you. Woo! This is just the beginning of the journey. This is very basic, but from the basic you can build up. You can build up your empire. Let's stay together and let's build up together our empire and flow. Close your eyes. Feel the heart maybe beating, the left on top, the right on top, the left hand. Inhale, and with a smile, exhale, and wish yourself a great day. Namaste fit, ciao ciao, see you next video.